A must-see, a rare find. This spacious, charming 1986-built one-owner home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, a Jack and Jill bath shared by 2 bedrooms, and a convenient half bath off the back of the house. The master suite offers 2 sliding glass doors exiting to the backyard, while the living room impresses with a cathedral ceiling, a beautiful stone wood-burning fireplace, and large windows and sliding doors that fill the space with natural light. A wet bar complements the living area, with a loft area at the back adding versatility. The separate dining room and kitchen with a breakfast nook provide a traditional, functional layout. A dedicated laundry mudroom and a 2-car garage sit on an oversized lot, offering ample storage and outdoor space for entertaining and activities.